All right, so the special counsel in the Hunter Biden investigation says he intends to seek an indictment by the end of the month. The statement is part of a court filing in a gun possession case involving the president's son. CBS News senior investigative correspondent Catherine Herridge has more on that investigation.
After a 5-year investigation, Hunter Biden could soon be facing federal charges. Special counsel David Weiss wrote to the Delaware court the government intends to seek the return of an indictment in this case before September 29th. Harry Littman is a former federal prosecutor.
I think the message is simple. They're going to throw the book at him on a gun charge that they were previously going to let him actually work off in a couple years.
The president's son had previously reached an agreement on the charge of gun possession by a drug user that avoided prosecution if he abided by the terms for 2 years. But in July, the broader plea agreement, which included misdemeanor tax charges, collapsed, leaving the future of the gun charge deal in question, and Hunter Biden facing legal jeopardy from the newly appointed special counsel.
What charges could he be talking about?
Well, at least he's talking about the gun charge. And of course, we don't know whether the misdemeanor tax charges could also be included.
But an attorney for the president's son told CBS News they believe the agreement for the gun offense still stands and prevents any additional charges from being filed against Mr. Biden, who has been abiding by the conditions, including regular visits by the probation office. And while President Biden has continually expressed support for his son, he recently stressed the Justice Department's independence in this case.
I have no comment on any investigation that's going on. That's up to the Justice Department, and that's all I have to say.
All right, Catherine's joining us now. I still can't believe they're sort of disagreeing about what was in that plea agreement, even at this point. But in regards to the gun charge, I mean, what sort of consequences could Hunter Biden be facing?
Well, Anne-Marie, it's a great question. It depends on the indictment and the charges that are brought by the special counsel. But for example, during the plea hearing in July in Delaware, where the whole deal collapsed, the federal judge asked why he had not been charged with a felony false statement. That's for, in this case, allegedly signing a document to obtain the weapon that said, "I was not a drug user." And Hunter Biden, it's well documented in his own biography, admits to the use of crack cocaine and other drugs during that period. So you can be talking 5 years simply for a false statement, more if there are additional charges added on.
Wow. And why the 29th? Is that date particularly significant?
It is. Under the Speedy Trial Act and its application in Delaware, the clock started ticking on bringing charges in this case at the end of July, and the clock expires at the end of September. So the special counsel has now formally told the Delaware judge that they intend to seek an indictment in this case. The language in that motion was vague. It was either poorly drafted or it was done that way by design, because it's not entirely clear whether it's simply on the gun offense or it could also be on the tax charges. Final point, if that's the scenario we're looking at, the likelihood is that the gun offense would be filed in Delaware because that's the jurisdiction where the alleged offense took place, but the tax charges would have to be brought either in Washington, D.C. or Los Angeles. So an even complex case becomes even more so because the indictments would be bifurcated.
Oh, my goodness. Catherine Herridge, thank you very much.
You're welcome.